Hi guys, this is me, Leo, and this one, the one that's out of my shoulder, that's Rigo, and this one, that's the baby, but we don't know his name yet. And this is Nicolas. So, do you remember my parrot? Look. He can just like kill my parakeets. So this is why they're not in the same cage. And that's my cat. And so I'm having fun showing my videos. And then they just came off my shoulder. Rigo left. Rigo, what are you doing on there? Come here. Rigo, don't be naughty. Don't be naughty, Rigo. Come. What? Rigo, why are you on the floor? Nah, why is Rigo on the floor? Just leave it. Yeah, now Nicolas left. Nah, don't worry. Oh no, I better shave my parakeets. On my foot? Yeah, there we go. You won't pop. Hey, do not be naughty. No, stop getting on my foot. Stay on my foot forever. No, bad girl. No. Rigo's crazy, super crazy. Nicolas is doing something that I do not feel like it. I feel bad. She's scratching me. I just closed the long room so my cat didn't eat them. And Rico, he's on the floor. Stop! Ow! That hurts. Okay. So, I don't know what is Poncho doing. He just stares at me every single time. Bad boy Poncho. So, I'm just gonna go over here and try to see if Rigo's here. Oh, I'm just got Rigo on my foot. Rigo, come on, Rigo. Rigo. Why does Rigo does not listen? Why does Rigo never listen?